Please welcome all the top 5 finalists back on the stage.
Alright, people of Infal, here are your top 5 finalists of the Miss Manipur 2016. Before we announce the winners, let me first announce the list of prizes that are arranged for the winners of tonight. Styling will give coupons to the 3 winners of the Miss Manipur 2016. Apunba Fitness also offers 6 months free services to all the 3 winners. Photo shoot post grand finale along with Heli Lightangbam and Firembam Sonia Devi. Spoon Restaurant also offers coupons to all the 3 winners of the Miss Manipur 2016. Box and Cards also have a special gift vouchers to Manson jewelry box for the winners. Oriana Salon and Spa also will give them coupons. Classic Hotel also offers 1-night stay at their resort. Chelsea Food and Hospitality offers 6 months modeling contract. And lastly but not least, the winner of Miss Manipur 2016 gets to walk as the showstopper at India Intimate Fashion Week 2017 by Jackson Keith in Mumbai.
All right, so we are just a few moments away from declaring the winners.
Before we declare the winner's name, I would like to thank all the people who have assembled here. I would like to thank the judges, our guests, all the people involved in this program to make it a success. And all the beautiful ladies who are standing here, we can hear your heartbeats. It's still raising.
All right. I would like to request all the beautiful ladies to move back there. All right. Yes, move back there.
Alright, I have in my hand the result of the Miss Manipur 2016. Ladies, once again, hold your breath. And people of Infal, are you excited to know the result? Okay, the crowd is pretty excited. Let's hear the result.
All the best, girls.
The 4th runner-up of Miss Manipur 2016 is...
The 4th runner-up.
Serena Naurem, contestant number 20.
runner-up is, any guesses? And the third runner-up is Christina Thioman, contestant number 2.
So, ladies and gentlemen, these 3 beautiful ladies are the lucky ones among the 20 contestants we had so far. Now, okay, now from here on, the declaration of the result will be taken forward by the event director, Helly, and event manager, Sonia, who will also do the crowning of the winners. Right, we will start from the reverse order. To do the honor to present or to felicitate the second runner-up, may I invite Hadley and Bigyanjit on the stage. Hadley and Bigyanjit on the stage. Please come here.
And the second runner-up of Miss Manipur 2016 goes to... Any guesses? Second runner-up is Rajkumari Lintoisana, contestant number 3.
Maraktatna aikoigi first runner-up amadi winners bu bouquet adagidi aikoigi memento na chingba pibinabagi damakta ahanbada first runner-up ki animak ai kaukhatsarage adum pulap lepminaraga adum tawminarasi first runner-up ki damak lengkat piraksi AR family dagi Ma'am Ruby Ma'am Rubina, first runner-up ta bouquet, mementos, check, nachingba, kusinabigani, or anybody from AR family, lingkat birpayagani, Ruby, Ma'am Ruby maglaytragasu. Aduga, winner dana, Manipur Creation gi, Representative Vasun Raj na, winner da, check, bouquet, amadi memento nachingba si kusinabigani, winner amadi, first runner-up ta, Event Executive Director, Heli Amadi, Manager, Soniana, Crown Asi Opigani, Amadi Shash Adu, Kushinabigani, Tawudabu, first runner-up, Amadi winner da, Ahanbada, first runner-up the AR family gi mihud amana, Lemhauriba Kwegi, certificate, check the chimba pibigani, Aduga, winner dana, Manipur Creation gi, Western Ranch and family na, Kushinabigani.
The 3 winners will also get a phone from itel, a Selfie Pro. They're giving away 3 phones to all the winners of the Miss Manipur 2016.
Finally, we are going to announce the name of the winner, that is Miss Manipur
2016.
So the winner is...
Any guesses,
Miss...
people?
Any guess? Any guess? Okay. The winner, Miss Manipur 2016, is Miss
Fafa.
Gachui.
Congratulations, Miss Fafa Gatu. You are the winner of the Miss Manipur 2016.
Keep on cheering, people! This is the last time.
Yes, Manipur, here is your winner of the Miss Manipur 2016, Fafa Gatui, contestant number 11.
We are indeed very pleased to announce that the winner, Fafa Gachui, will be a showstopper in India Intimate Fashion Week, Mumbai.
Miss Manipur will also get coupon from Zay Styling, Apunba Fitness, 6 months free services, photo shoot post grand finale with the event director and manager Heli Leishangthem and Firebomb Sonia. Let us now have the moment in crowning the first runner-up of Miss Manipur 2016. Please put a huge round of applause for Urmila Sagolsen, contestant number 1.
There you go. The first runner-up, Urmila Sagolsen. we will have all the winners walking down the runway or ramp or whatever we call for the last time. Are we ready for that?
Yes, ladies, please take your first walk as the winners of Miss Manipur 2016. Let's give them a huge round of applause. Yes, people of Manipur, here are your winners of the Miss Manipur 2016. We will also give away a gift voucher from Box and Cards. It's a gift hamper from Box and Cards.
Any representative from Box and Cards on the stage to give away the gift hampers to the winners. Box and Cards ki Suresh Laibiragadi. Akoy gift hampers sing winners sing that question na bigani.
That is a gift hamper from Box and Cards to all the 3 winners of Miss Manipur 2016. The winners will also get a phone from ITEL. Each of them will get a Selfie Pro as a gift hamper from ITEL.
Any representative from ITEL. Alright, so ITEL dagi akoigi gift si masu winners sing da question na bigani.
Yes, with that, we've come to the end of Miss Manipur 2016. We would like to thank all our official sponsor, media partners, and not to forget our viewers at home as well as at the venue here. Thank you all very much for your participation. We look forward to seeing you again in the next Miss Manipur 2016.
Mafam asida lengbirakhraba amadi Impact TV gi kuthangda yum-yumda hairiba event asi loiba phawba yembiriba pumnamapu sinja langzariba singi maikadegi amuka hanna thagachaba phongdokchabaga loilena mathang chahida anova Miss amaga amuk unarasi haiba wafamsi thamjaraga pumnamaktagi bidai nijari. Thank you.
Thank you all, everyone, and have a pleasant night. Good night all.
Ningsingjaba mana akoigi Miss Manipur 2016 di matang aswaida loisinjare tawdabu yamna nungaiba paw ma haijagadra miyam hena sakhang biraba